She was over 360. She takes certain information from Lorraine and she give it to 360. That wasn't a nice thing to do. I want to be the next Oprah Winfrey or Wendy Williams. Me not play no victim. We all do it. But one day, you just wake up out of the blue moon. You don't even know it's going to happen. And you just wake up and say, you know what? Me need to stop this rubbish. I am here to tell the women, the small, the medium and large, you are beautiful. And Planka Boss, you are beautiful from inside and out as well. You are beautiful. You are fabulous. You understand? And if me say you're fat and whatever, well, me take it back this morning. You are beautiful. Planka Boss, you are beautiful. You might be overweight and all of this, but you are beautiful. You know, and only thing I can say, just look after your health. Look after your health. You understand? Health is very important. When you are having too much of a weight, it's not good. You understand? It is not good. You understand? People around you might not tell you, but because I am not your friend, I can tell you. You understand? You might have people around you claim they loved you, but actually they're not loving you. You understand? They're only there for the benefit, and that's the honest truth. A true me attack. People only there for the benefit, but they don't really love you, you know, but they're only there for the benefit. And all me I say to you, Planka, is just kind of with the food thing, and more go on the greener side and the less meat and all of these things, because me know them something here, you know, and drink up your green juice. You understand? Green juice make you lose body, like around the waist, and night time you burn fat. Yes, man, your green juice, and keep up going, go do your exercise. Nothing wrong with that. And anybody that pan, oh, a Planka, yeah, look, the Bible said love, forgive and move on. Love. You're not a person that have to be friend. Love and move on. The greener grass, nothing wrong with that. And all who out there is saying, I am slow, I am this, I am mad. Do mad people look like me? Do mad people look like me? Hell no. But you know what? I put it down to jealousy. Instead of lifting me up. Because people, I think that they like me, actually call my phone, Sophie, hey. I never know they were haters. Oh yes. That's why I said be careful with your circle. People will call you, talk to you, but deep down, they're jealous of you. And jealous of what? You don't even know them. But yet they're going to tell you you're this and that. You understand? I am here to set an example. Peace across the board. And anybody me offended in social media, and anybody me talk about, I am sorry. Yes, because me make mistake. And me not go say me is a victim. No. Me do wrong bang too. Me curse people too. Because guess what? You know why me curse people? Yeah, you know you at school and you see one crowd over there, so and you join crowd, and Sophie reach in there. At Facebook crowd, yes. You see two platform and you go join one, and then you start the tearing down, and you start and you cheer on like we are children. We on Facebook coming like we are primary children. When I look back at it, guys, I'm telling you the truth. It brings me back to primary days. When you're going to school, you have that section there, you have a section there, and you have the group, and you call names, and all of these things. We need to put it aside. We are big people now. The calling a name, we need to stop it. Starting from Sophie. Starting from me. And anybody I call name, I am sorry. If you even want to say, you know what, no apologize, I feel. I don't care. At least my heart is free. And enough people when they say, oh, I'm not accepting no apology. You're a damn fool. For if somebody apologize to you, they know they do you wrong. And you're going to come. Me not want to apology from you. You're a damn fool. You is a damn fool like Tina Chin. When Planka Boss apologized to him, in I feel it. Oh, me not want to apologize. You should have just take it and move on. Why you not accepting it? I know you play a victim. No, you don't play victim. Planka Boss apologized to you. You take it. But no, you want go apologize. Although them say Planka said they not apologize to me. I don't care. My heart is free. And I'm free indeed. I'm free indeed. Yes, me call him fat. Yes, I did. But she called me ugly. So guess what? We are not primary school anymore. We forget about that. We're going to move on to different level and higher level. It's like higher education, okay? Higher level and higher education. What about Lorraine? Yeah, me forgive Lorraine as well. Me will stop cause people for people. Yes, I forgive Lorraine as well. Because Lorraine was the first camp. Yes, me forgive Lola. Me forgive Lola. Who again? All who me not remember, you can drop them down there. You can drop them down there. Forgive and for move on. You don't have to be a friend, but you can move on and say peace. Nothing wrong with peace. Nothing wrong with peace. One night you to know one another for. See that? You see me hat here? Me have enough hat, you know. When I to know one another for. I pretty Sophie this, you know. Yeah, man. Pretty on any side. And I let nobody steal on a joy, you know, because guess what? Sophie, June coming, Sophie will be 52, you know. And you say, why you look so young? Forgiveness is the key. Why you look so young? You eat right and you exercise and maintain a good lifestyle. Nothing wrong with it. You go because you know you feel it. If me forgive her one day, you go say, if me forgive that one day, she go vex. Me no business who want vex when God come and me you go hell. Me you not go hell, me go heaven. When God come and God said, oh, Sophie, you never forgive Lorraine because me I wonder say, you know, say if me forgive Lorraine, I wonder I go vex. Public. Yes, me forgive Lorraine. Yes. Me forgive everybody and move on. Clean slate. Clean slate. All me I talk about beauty, how to maintain yourself, healthy lifestyle, healthy living. Healthy lifestyle, that the one day, she called me all sorts of names. Me forgive she as well. Me forgive she as well. Because the Bible says sometimes they don't know what they do. Me don't know if they do it for cloud. Because that the one there, she called me, Sophie, blah, blah. All of a sudden, she hate me. She hate me. And you know, say, guys, me I got to tell you something about a lady there, you know. You know, so when I did the live on Sunday, she called me and tell me I must hide the live. Hide the live. You saw people evil and wicked? The live that I did on Tina Chin, yeah? I didn't know how to hide the live. She called me and she said, Sophie, the live what you doing? You know, you should hide the live, you know. So me say, how you hide live? And she tell me, say, put it in out this something there and me do it, you know. You see the morning when I get up, the Monday morning, she scream record the live and play the live because she never want nobody to see the live. That's for sure it says a hypocrite and Sophie never that thing pan it, you know. For sure you saw people wicked. You saw people wicked. I did the live and she said to me, take down the live and hide the live. So I said, why should you hide the live? So anyway, she said, put it in the something there. And I put it in there. You see the morning when me wake up, the woman do the same live when me do because she never wanted to surface. And she thought, well, she don't want nobody to get no views pan it. And then she give it to the other one over there. So I said, why did she say hide the live? And she record the live. And when I was sleeping in England, you see England time is different. She playing the live. And I said, that's hypocrite. Then she come back now and she said, Sophie, take out the live that you hide, that I told you to hide. And I said, how you take back out the live? I don't know about them something there. And she said, go into your phone and take back the live. So, and repost the live. When I post the live, you understand? She called me again. Me must go hide back the live for Lorraine says she'll go play the live. So I says, no, I'm not hiding my live. Now I start to realize, say, something not right. For if Lorraine want to play my live, Lorraine have all right to play it. Everybody play everybody live. And you see that thing was really, really bad. She cause everybody for Tina, lucky she. You see me, you talk something, I'm not going to come out here and talk on whatsoever because I did the live. And the reason why I did the live, guys, I will explain. The reason why I don't have no ill feeling of Tina. You know I always cheer for Tina. You know I always there for her. Even when time the charity thing, I cuss people for her. She never come and say thank you and all of that. The next day she come out. Anybody near me no call. They below me. They underneath it. Me inna me feelings. Me inna me feelings. You understand? She can do the curse for whatever. Missy Tina writes somebody, thank you guys for who supported me. And then thank you, I can't get back to everybody. But then turn the curse for everybody. Me now go down in the pit with them. I arise. You understand? And when I see the hypocrite thing, when I did the live, she told me I must hide the live. And I was wondering, because I don't normally delete my live. I don't normally do that. And she said, Sophie, she come in like a friend now. Oh, Sophie, I think you should delete. You should hide the live because people are bash Tina and this. That time the woman want the live to play the night because when she up her live, me are sleeping in England. And me get up on me in Sunday morning now. The Monday morning, me I go through my phone and me see she was on live. And then me say, let me hear what she has say. Me she over there with the live. Me not say nothing. Me keep quiet. I keep quiet. Then she called me now and said, Sophie, the live when me tell her to hide, go take it out back. So me say, me don't know how to take out the live. For me never hide live yet, guys. I never do it. She said, alright, go up on the tree that, go into that, and then bam, 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 and then it will come back out. Me say, oh. So anyway, I did that and the live come up. When I did that now, everybody started to run with the live. But she did already running with the live and asked me to hide my live. For she if you get views from it. That is a hypocritical woman. Lord God. She's a hypocrite. And then the night now, she called me and she said, Sophie, me hear Lorian say she go play your live. No make Lorian play your live. Me fi go hide the live. Me say, he can't walk. Me not hide no live. Make Lorian play. Because I catch up right what she was doing now. I catch up on it what she was doing now. You shouldn't be in your feeling because you guys not beefing. Because what was, I mean, if you guys beefing, that would be different. Listen, you don't understand. What you don't understand is the word that she used. She must go take care of her one breast and leave people business alone. Nobody don't loyal to no one on Facebook. Scooter, pineapple. You see a one breast woman. Remember, you know, me do the live, you know. And she called me nicely, you know. And say, Sophie, take down the live. Like me an idiot. Take down the live and hide the live. That time she scream, record the live already, you know. That time she knows so she'll go play the live, you know. You understand? And she say, no man, me no want nobody get a live there yet. And she tell me how to hide the live. I saw me know how to hide live. Me never know how to hide live. I say so the woman could have killed me to bumbo. Me attack. And then she called me back and said, if you take out back the live. Me run go take it out back now. When she hear say Lorian want to go play the live, she'll call me. Me and Lorian say she'll go play the live. Me if you take down my live again, you know. If you go hide it from Lorian. That time she already have the live, you know. If hypocrite was a person. You see me? I am free indeed. The most say me is a backstabber. I am no backstabber. I will come here and tell you the truth. I will come here. Nobody can step on social media. Me ever sit down and talk nobody behind them back. Me straight. And the reason why I was in my feeling that day, the day before, when the charity thing, I get bashed for Tina. And she never said thank you or anything. And the day she come out big and bold. People, down yourself. She not even supposed to come out the day with them the story there. She had do the charity and people are bash her already. She had just come out and say blah blah and done. She gone in a one segment. I tell people who she not forgive and who she not for that. If you are cry peace, you have to forgive everybody across the board. Me forgive everybody across the board. Even down to she. Because guess what? Good riddance. Sometimes you have to just wash your hand and move on. People come in your life and call your phone like they like you and all of that. And at the same time, I'll call about my appearance. Anybody come on phone and talk about this. Them are evil. Me no evil. Me no have nothing to hide. You see, me hate me for the truth. But I am not a liar. I am not a deceiver. I am not an opportunist. I don't friend people to get close to them. You understand? Those people are dangerous. I am not really a friendly person anyway in real life. I don't have a lot of friends because friends don't bring value to my life. Friend out there don't bring value to my life. Anybody now bring value to my life and uplift me. I don't want to hear nothing from you. I want somebody who I can look up to and learn from. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's why when I say Tina can take a leaf from Plankaba's book, me not say nothing wrong. Even me, I take a leaf from Planka book. Nothing no wrong. We all can take a leaf from somebody's book. Today, somebody can take a leaf from Sophie book and say, you know what? Positivity. Let's live and unite. You don't have to talk and be close friend, but be polite. You're going to come and curse me ugly, me this, me that. Me then go and curse for she. You understand? And that's the honest truth. Me don't know that woman from nowhere. She was over 360. She takes certain information from Lorraine and she give it to 360. That wasn't a nice thing to do. It wasn't a nice thing to do. Cartoon come here and talk and say what they think. Share bash people. Why are you doing that? You're going to build your platform. Guys, we have to learn from each other. We don't want to make the same mistake like everybody do. I make my mistake by jumping and bagwagon. I make mistake by jumping and bagwagon. No, when no belongs to me. Me gonna open people things when no belongs to me because I might like a party, I might like certain person, and I take it up on board and start cussing for people. Does it bring me anything? No. All it bring me, hate. And people can't see that and learn from that. Well, me I pass that and go by my way. And me alone born. Me never born as twin. Me alone born. So I am not a twin. You understand? Me never conjoin with somebody and me alone. When God come in my time and when God come, and when God says, Sophie, you this, that, me go say, oh, because me no want she go say nothing. Listen, everybody have to sit down on them backside when God come, when judgment come. You understand? Do the right thing. Do the right thing. If you have a brother and a sister do something, tell them to them I do something wrong. Me no understand when you tell a person you are wrong. They say, you're jealous, you're this, you're that. So you know what? Me, a solo. Me, I stay in my lane. If me see a topic I want to talk about it, I talk about it. But I don't want a soul call my phone. I don't want a soul call my phone. No blogger. No blogger. Like the one that come about me ugly and me this and me all that. After the woman call me and deceive me. Me fi hide me live. Me not delete live. And after me hide me live. And gone on my bed Sunday night. The woman record the live and play it. And send it to her friend. You know the man when me realize the woman play the live. Me I say, then who shot them fi hide the live? And she depend the live attack about the live. That not right. But anyway, I dismissed it. I didn't say anything about it. I did not say anything about it because at that time, I never really think. And then she called me and said, Sophie, put back the live. Me I said, how to put back the live? For me never hide no live and go take it totally something there and put it back. Me don't know how to do it. And she called me and she said, do this, touch a tree that there so and take it out there. And me take it out there. The same last night the woman a call me. Sophie, go hide back in live for Lorraine want. Me say, Ross. And that's when me realize there's something not right because she told me to hide my live so they can get all the views. And that live, what you call that? Hypocrites. What you call that? Hypocrites. People like that, you don't want to be around. And then, through me thought now, the next day, she upon her live. Dirty girl, ugly girl, but she pretty and she not pretty. Me prettier than your sweetheart. And me say pretty on any side. And me say believe in yourself. And me say motivate yourself. Don't let nobody shame you. Me used to do it. Me sorry. Me used to have that thing. Me sorry. People can't say sorry, but me is saying sorry from the bottom of my heart. I am sorry if I make some people feel uneasy. You understand? There is a change and we can all do that. We can all make a change while big women are pat down each other. And then she'll come criticize. Oh, me fluffy, me would have come like Tina. Me never see your face yet. So me can't describe you, for me can't describe Duppy. You understand? Me can't describe somebody that I don't know. I am a sort of person just come here and show my face. I listen to Chris, the baker. And he says some nice things about me, which is good. But guess what? We have to forgive and move on. Why dwell in the past? Why dwell in the past? Everybody make mistake. And I heard Chris was saying that, you know, everybody do make mistake. And everybody on Facebook do Facebook different. You understand? But we learn. We learn from our mistake and be better. You understand? It's not everybody's going to love you. It's not everybody's going to like you. But I can make a difference. My platform don't have to be bagger and problems. No. If I even want to talk about bagger thing, I can come here and talk about it in a nice way. Not in the outrageous way and try if you put on a next person to step on a person to get more views. Where that going to bring you? I'm not going to damage my platform by bringing bad behavior. She can't say that, darling. I don't have bad breath. You're not going to distract me. She can't say that. Nobody can say that. My hygiene always up. So, you understand what I am saying? Positivity. You understand? And me say hygiene supposed to be up there. So, and me tell you say brush your teeth, brush your lip. You have build up on your lip. Brush your tongue. And me say them there's something there. You understand? Flush your teeth. Take out those things out there. No girl, no boy can say me have bad breath. Me no bring bad breath. Because of these things me I talk about. If people have bad breath, charcoal toothpaste prevent bad breath. Charcoal toothpaste make your teeth white. Charcoal toothpaste have a lot of benefit in it. More than the other toothpaste. And me say clean teeth. And me say oral hygiene. You understand? Believe in yourself. Nobody can bring me down. All me see, this woman from, I jump from there. If they want to jump from there, I don't care. You understand? My show is my show. I do what I want to do. Good morning, Vanessa, guys. Please support Vanessa Dick. She has her platform. She talk about relationships. She talk about other different subjects. So, guys, please run over there and support our coming bloggers, you know, newcomers. You know, when people here trying their little thing, we need to support them. We need to guide them. What to use on their platform, what to say from what not to say. Don't damage your platform before you reach there. Try to have a clean platform. A lot of people would not come here and say these things. You understand? A lot of people don't know how to start to do a platform, how to create a platform. The step, they start building their platform and arguments. Bagga. You can't start build a platform from that because you're going to get red flag, yellow flag. And by the time you're supposed to monetize your page is already damaged because you not follow the bad seed. Facebook have rules and regulations. And if you don't follow them, like my page now is demonetized of copyright. You understand? Don't be in that circle. You understand? Do the right thing. There is nothing wrong with it. I heard Breaker Boy say happy you changed. Thank you. I heard it. I am a changed person. When I say I am a changed person, by cussing out people for people. You understand? By cussing out other people for people. It now benefit me nothing. Me now gain from it. We should all make peace. But again, we don't know each other. I just other day I know Tina, but you know what? We need peace, and it start from me. I don't care who no want peace, but you see me, it start from me. You understand? It start from me. I must can see Chris and say, hello Chris, how you doing? I must can say, Chris, if I even go over to Brixton and I want to pop into his cake shop and buy a cake and a coffee, I must can say, Chris, I want a cake and a coffee and have a coffee and a cake and drink and go on my ways. Because we're not friends. If we even go over Brixton in cake shop up the road, because we are enemy. Me don't want that in my life. Cry peace and move on. We need peace. We must can go over there and sit and buy a nice cake and taste his cake and have a nice coffee. There's nothing wrong with it. Me I cry peace. And there's nothing wrong with crying peace, guys. That's the honest. We are fight for people we don't know. We are fight for people who we not relevant in them life. They don't recognize me. Because if me I fight for you, you're supposed to recognize me. But you know what? We have to get up, smell the coffee. I was sleeping too long. Me not in no bang around for nobody. If me see somebody do somebody wrong and I want to talk about it, I will talk about it. As Curly would have said, split justice. There's a time and place for everything, man. There's a time and place for everything. Other people go up and eat other people clothes. You're this, you're that, you're Tara, and all of that, and they don't know you. And anybody go up and a people clothes, you're this and you're that. Them not look. Them a curse themselves. Because look at me. I'm 51, so 52 years old. And I'm proud to tell people my age. I am proud to stand up here and say, listen, I am 51. Next month I will be 52. You understand? And people ask you, why you look so good? The reason why I look so nice is because I maintain myself. I maintain my body. You understand? And if you don't maintain your body, you don't maintain yourself, you will let yourself go. I am this type of person. I'm unique. I don't let myself go. A lot of people let themselves go. They don't spend time on their self. They don't dress up themselves. They're just living. When people living like that, it's telling me you're going into a state of depression. A lot of people let themselves go. No. Now is the time to get up. If you find yourself that you're not dressing up, you're in your night clothes, you're sleeping and all of that, you're going into a state of depression. And you must know and acknowledge when you are going into depression. When a person is going into depression, they will eat and eat. Some people take depression, they eat for depression to make them feel comfortable. They comfort eating, they're picking all the time. And they're not realizing by picking and eating all the time, they're gaining weight. By the time you look, they eat one bread for the day. I don't do those things. I had breakfast, a cup of tea, or a coffee, or a toast. In England, you will have some toast and some bacon and a cup of tea, and that's it. And then lunchtime, you have something. And then evening time, you have some dinner, and then that's it. I eat 3 times a day. For instance, look at these guys. My kids then go to Costco yesterday. Cake. Costco cake. This morning, I have one. You understand? For the rest of the week, me no want no more. You understand? I don't want any more. And that's how I am. I don't make food rule me. You understand? You cannot make food rule you. You must can see food and cut your eyes and past it. I never say you can't eat nice food or your chicken or your whatever, but you must know what you eat. You understand? If once a week you want to have a KFC or something, it's okay. But as I always say, the older we get, our body is not the same. Our body takes longer to break down food. And we must acknowledge that. Some people say, me I go on like me a dietitian, me I go on like say me know things. I'm knowledgeable in these things. And if I'm knowledgeable in these things, I can come here and tell you what I know, the do's and the don'ts. You understand? When you know something and you have an audience and they're watching you, somebody might be overweight and they said, oh my God, I don't know what to do to lose this weight. But I come across Sophie's video, they might say, wow, I'm going to try that. At least somebody learned something from me. But every time I come out with my pasta, it's only Jamaican I watch a pasta. Nigerian now watch it. English people really now watch it. And who really from Jamaica may go on the platform and watch it. They're not interested. Bring things to the table that somebody can learn and sit down and relax and listen to your conversation. I want to be the next Oprah Winfrey or Wendy Williams. Yes, I want to be the next Wendy Williams. Well, Wendy Williams sit down and when they do this, this is the next Wendy.